Hey, did you know that most myofunctional therapists think that referrals can just happen on their own? Or they believe that if they drop off enough brochures or mention their services to a dentist, patients will just start pouring in? I know it sounds crazy because we've been told for years that all you need is visibility. And while visibility is important, I'm going to share 3 secrets with you today that will revolutionize the way that you build and grow your referral based myofunctional therapy practice. I'm Megan Vinoy, and I am the founder of the Business of Being a Boss program for myofunctional therapists, the founder of Northwest Myofunctional Therapy. And over the past 8 years, I have built an over $500,000 myofunctional therapy practice, and I'm here to show you how to do the same. So, what is the thing that's going to change your practice? It's called the referral engine. The referral engine is a simple, proven system that builds consistent, high-quality referrals without you feeling like you have to sell or hustle for every new patient. So I'm going to share with you the 3 secrets about how you can build a referral engine and start growing your practice effortlessly without burning out. And I know that you're probably thinking, I've tried asking for referrals before, it just didn't work for me. But stick with me because I'm going to show you how you can ask for referrals confidently and consistently get people coming in your door. Okay, secret number 1. Relationships matter more than marketing materials. The big idea here is that people don't refer based on brochures or business cards. They refer based on relationships. This is important because if you focus on building relationships with your referral partners, you'll create a steady flow of patients who trust you before they even walk through your door. They're ready to say yes before they even meet you. Secret number 2, confidence in the ask. The main thing to understand here is that you don't have to feel awkward or pushy or shy when you're asking for referrals. This means that when you have the right scripts and the right approach for asking for referrals becomes natural and easy, and your referral partners will feel excited to actually send patients your way. And then secret number 3, create a system that works for you. The big idea here is you don't want to just rely on random referrals. You need a system in place that nurtures relationships and keeps referrals coming in every month. This is key because when you have a system that works, you don't have to chase down every new patient. Your business runs itself with a steady stream of high-quality referrals from high-quality providers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, you're probably wondering, well, what if I don't have enough time to build a referral system? Well, the tricky thing is, by not having a system, you're actually spending more time chasing patients and providers and stressing over your business. Once you set up your referral engine, it'll save you hours every week and bring patients in without any extra effort. That's why I designed and created the Business of Being a Boss program for the myofunctional therapist. It's a complete system, a complete program designed to help you build your referral engine so you can confidently attract new patients, grow your practice, and finally have the freedom and income that you deserve. What makes this so special is that it's been built specifically for myofunctional therapists by someone who's been in your shoes. When you implement the system, you go from feeling uncertain about where your next patient will come from to having a full schedule, steady referrals, and the confidence to grow your business on your own terms. And I know this works because as someone who has built a $500,000 practice, I've seen these strategies create life-changing results, not just for me, but for other clients as well. So what I have done is I have put everything you need into the Business of Being a Boss for the Myofunctional Therapist program. And if you click the link, you'll get access to the full program plus a ton of exclusive bonuses designed to fast track your success. I honestly don't know how long I will be offering this at this current price. Spots are limited. Every time we launch, more and more people come in. So I really want to encourage you to click the link and sign up while you still can. We've seen amazing results with other myofunctional therapists like you who are struggling to get consistent patients. And this program has changed their businesses, and it'll change yours too. I cannot wait to see you inside this round of the Business of Being a Boss for the Myofunctional Therapist program. and help you grow the practice you've always dreamed of. And to give you a little extra encouragement, in the next 24 hours, we are offering a special discount on the program, on the Business Boss for being the myofunctional therapist. If you sign up now, you get $250 off of your purchase. Plus, if you sign up within the next 24 hours, you get 2 free one-on-one mentoring calls with me to strategically get your practice to the next level, getting my eyes on your business to help you grow and thrive and reach your goals. So click the link, and I hope that you have the best day.